Welcome guys, today we're going to talk about dimensions in this video. So what is dimension in physics? So if you are aware about the units, so you know that the fundamental units, right? So in SI system and in CGS system you can write them down. But what are the quantities that are related to that? We know that the mass is one, length is another one, you know, time is another one, and there are several others like current and so on and so forth. You can 6 or 7 quantities you have, right? So kilograms and meters and second, and then gram, centimeters, and so kilogram, gram, SIC, just different units you write. Pardon me. So what is the dimension here? The dimension is basically physical quantities are defined by these dimensions. So when you raise the fundamental unit, how you represent them. So usually we take a letter from them. Usually the first letter or anything comfortable letter like, and you raise them to certain power, depending on how what is the contribution of that fundamental unit in that quantity, and that's how you get the definition. That's how you get the dimension. So basically the dimensions of a physical quantity are defined by the powers to which the fundamental units are to be raised. So what does it mean? So usually these are the fundamental, right? So meaning, what is the meaning of the fundamental? Fundamental meaning, like if I have a fundamental particle, meaning if I break some other secondary particle, I will, after breaking them, I'll get this fundamental particle. But I cannot break this down further, right? I cannot break my fundamental thing anymore further. That's the definition of fundamental. So now mass, length, time, they're fundamental. So they have a dimension. So usually mass, so capital M we take. So this is the dimension written within third bracket, convention, and length is L, time is T. So we will see some quantities, how to write the dimension of several quantities using these fundamental dimensions. Pardon me. So what about area?